In today's video, we'll take a look at retrofitting a typical UV curable screen press with SST's unique LED system. First, we'll watch a quick video to understand the current UV process and observe the temperature, energy consumption, carbon emissions, noise, VOCs, maintenance, print quality, and speed. The press was then retrofit with the SST LED system, which only took about 90 minutes. Then we'll take a look at the results to compare the two technologies. So here's that typical UV screen printing process. The first is a very large UV power supply and a cooling fan for the press operator. An exhaust system and ducting through the roof to remove the heat and VOCs. It also generates a very high decibel noise level. To understand how much heat is generated, we first measure the substrate just prior to UV curing, which reads here 92 degrees. The UV curing lamp creates a significant amount of heat, which causes substrate shrinkage, registration issues, and even fires. In this case, 75 degrees are added as the temperature went up to 167 degrees. The press was then retrofit with SST's LED curing system. It incorporates a very small power supply and a water circulation unit that does not require chilling, and an LED lamp housing. The exhaust system is also turned off, the exhaust noise is eliminated, there's no need for an operator cooling fan anymore. The system generates so little heat that the temperature only increases to 102 degrees, or a 12-degree increase as compared to the 75 from UV. To summarize the results of retrofitting this UV press to SST's LED system, we'll take a look at some of the results here. First, there's a 90% reduction in the utility cost and carbon emissions generated, and all VOCs are eliminated. The bigger benefit, though, probably is in the heat reduction. Benefits include eliminating fires and melting events, faster job registration by eliminating substrate shrinkage, eliminating the cooling fans and racks, and reducing the AC load to cool the press room. Benefits of removing the exhaust system include a much quieter working space, removing the positive and negative airflow, and eliminating the cost, maintenance, and footprint of the system, as well as all ducting. From a maintenance perspective, at least a 50% reduction in time to maintain the system will be realized, which equals more press uptime. It also eliminates the need for shutters and reflectors that are needed for UV. The 30,000 hour minimum of lamp life compared to only 800 for UV will eliminate the need for regular UV bulb rotation and the related downtime from the press. The SST lights come on instantly when the press begins to move and are not on when not printing. This eliminates the warm-up and cool down time associated with UV. And the combination of these things result in the SST lights lasting around 9 years for a typical 2-shift operation versus only 2 months for UV. And finally, the print quality and speed when using SST LED is equal to or better than that achieved with traditional UV arc curing systems. So as you can see, there are a lot of benefits in retrofitting to SST's LED from UV. We would be happy to discuss how an SST LED retrofit could work for you and your screen operation. We can provide a detailed ROI and payback model to fit your specific situation. Please visit our website or reach out to me for more information, and happy printing.